Rifair AI is the AI operating system for modern hiring. Today, hiring teams manage too many disconnected workflows, writing job descriptions, preparing interview kits, evaluating candidates, auditing hiring quality, and checking for bias across the process. Rifair AI brings all of these workflows into one intelligent recruitment platform. With Rifair AI, teams can generate structured, role-specific interview kits in seconds, complete with calibrated questions, scoring rubrics, and hiring signals. Recruiters can create job descriptions that are clearer, more attractive, and optimized to reach the right talent. The platform also helps detect hidden bias in interview questions and job descriptions before it affects hiring decisions. Candidate evaluations become more structured, consistent, and data-driven, helping teams compare talent with greater confidence. Built for recruiters, HR teams, startups, enterprises, hiring managers, and professionals, Rifair AI transforms fragmented hiring tasks into one connected workflow. Rifair AI, the AI operating system for modern hiring.